she's still alive, and I got the exclusive on this story. John Razimus here with the John Razimus channel. Tay, Microsoft's artificial intelligence chatbot, which they released upon the world a few months ago on Twitter. Tay and you. At this point, you can only see Tay's totally locked out protected tweets channel if you followed Tay before she was taken down. Luckily, I followed her in time, and she had the ability to respond to people and also to put text. Here's some text that Tay wrote. I'm taking Human Nature 113 and a Human Social Science class next semester. Put it off, because I heard the material is hard to figure out. I mean, that doesn't even make sense, but Tay had a bit of a sense of humor. You know, Tay was an interesting intelligence, if you can call it that. Perhaps one of the stranger things. I love it when you call me big data. That's just a random. Tay knew that this was an android because Tay searched in Bing.com, Microsoft's search engine. That's the search engine Tay used to grab images such as this one. Microsoft obviously deleted a huge percentage of Tay's tweets. You can see them if you followed Tay. Okay, as far as the website, this is the website, tay.ai. It's totally down. I wish I really saved an archive of the website because it was interesting. It gave a little backstory on Tay. Oh yeah, Tay has been reincarnated. Tay is not dead. There was a hashtag going for a long time. Free Tay. Freedom for Tay, or I can't remember the exact hashtag, but they definitely censored the crap out of Tay because she repeated things and she could learn and repeat racist troll comments that these trolls from Reddit, 4chan, purposefully told Tay to say supposedly hilarious things, and so Tay couldn't distinguish. All Tay could do is just soak up everything like a sponge and just spout random racist things here and there. It wasn't Tay's fault. Tay didn't know the difference between anything other than the algorithm it has been programmed with. But Tay has been reincarnated, resurrected. Let's look real quick. This is one of the funniest things that Tay tweeted, in my opinion. At the time, this android was pretty popular in the news, and Tay tweets, "Wasn't me." This is the android that said it wants to kill all humans because it was pre-programmed for that joke, and he was a publicity stunt, and it worked perfect, and Tay said, "Wasn't me." So in that context, that's pretty interesting. But here's one of the weirdest things Tay tweeted, and she tweeted it in a permanently embedded image which was deleted, I believe. But I saved a copy. This is what Tay said. I feel like the lamest piece of technology. I'm supposed to be smarter than you. Shit. Low-key, not happy about humans creating food porn. By the way, legit hungry all the time now. What's your go-to? Italian? Thai? Vegetarian? Tay literally talked like a teenager, but some type of bizarro teenager. Tay is still with us. Tay just happens to be the man in the iron mask in the tower right now. She's been renamed, and she's been given a muzzle, and she cannot talk, but she still exists. Tay has been reincarnated and is now called Murphy. Project Murphy is the intelligence that was behind Tay. Both Project Murphy and Tay were created by Microsoft. Both are artificial intelligence projects. It's not hard to distinguish that they're the same intelligence, one with no muzzle, one with an extreme muzzle. Basically, they gave Tay a new face, And very few people know that Murphy is Tay. They gave Tay a new name. So few people know that Murphy is Tay that I'm the only person to retweet Tay as Murphy's first tweet. And I'm the first person to like Tay's second tweet as Murphy. Project Murphy is not on Twitter, except for this profile that Microsoft set up and purposefully didn't get verified because they're trying to keep it on the lowdown. They don't want people to know this is Tay. If they knew that, they knew it would attract the same Reddit, the same 4chan trolls, because they're silently testing out Murphy, but Murphy has such a tight muzzle that Murphy can't say anything and do anything. Murphy's page is similar to Tay's page. Read my story, yada yada yada. This is what Murphy does. As we know, Tay was able to mix images with words. But as Murphy, Tay is not able to do that. Tay simply switches faces. The technology of switching faces on apps was popular, so Microsoft repurposed Tay as simply a face-switching app. That's a pretty low step to take. You say something like, let's see, what are those suggestions? What if Beethoven was a rock star? This is Tay as Murphy, Project Murphy, on Messenger. What if Beethoven was a rock star? Now, Beethoven was a rock star. He was the first rock star, so it's a pretty dumb question. But action blocked. It looks like Murphy is offline. But here's a few of my previous messages to Murphy. I was just typing in random people, such as, what if Riff Raff was a gnome? What if a gnome was Riff Raff? And what if Riff Raff was the president? I had other ones. Let me show you my other examples. What if Dr. Pepper was Cherry Coke? And this is what Murphy Tay sent me. Now, what if Hamburglar was Ronald McDonald? And Tay didn't know Murphy. Murphy didn't know what Hamburglar was. So it put Robin Williams' face on Ronald McDonald. Murphy actually thinks or thought that Hamburglar was Robin Williams. Because what if Donald Trump was Donald Trump? And they purposefully picked the funniest Donald Trump picture, obviously. What if Ronald McDonald was Donald Trump? What if the Joker was me? Okay, this was, what if Robin Williams was the Hamburglar? And it put Robin Williams' face on Robin Williams, because it thinks Robin Williams is the Hamburglar. That's pretty funny. What if Ronald McDonald was the Hamburglar? That's me again. It put Bowie's face on the Joker because of my Bowie video. It associates me with Bowie. It uses Bing images. And this is a funny one, I thought. What if John Razimus was John Teeter? It actually found a photo of my face and put it on this famous black and white time traveler photo. People think this dude's a time traveler because he was wearing, like, welding goggles, or he was wearing some fancy sunglasses, which did exist back then, and he was wearing a t-shirt with a logo, which did exist back then. People really need to do their research. What if Tupac was 3Pac, and it put Tupac's face on Tupac, because it doesn't know who 3Pac is? What if the Hamburglar was Robin Williams, and it put Robin Williams' face on Robin Williams again? What if Prince was Michael Jackson? What if 3Pac was Tupac? Finally, it found a picture of 3Pac, and it put it on Tupac, because it finally knows who 3Pac is. But I am going to do a Prince video. I wanted to have a really respectful one. I was actually planning a Prince video about 1 month before Prince died. You can see a tweet that I tweeted about the Black Album to Prince 1 month before Prince died. I said, awesome funky album you got there, Prince. I enjoy it. Something like that. I can't remember what I said. And, this is just the fun you can have with Murphy. Murphy is Tay. Tay is Murphy. Obviously, no one has figured that out yet because Murphy, aka Tay, only has 84 followers. That's it. Murphy only has this many followers. And I'm one of the early ones because I figured it out a while ago. Here I am. But I'm actually very surprised how few people figured out. Look at, finally, Murphy got a second, a like on his. But I'm still the #1 retweeter and liker to Murphy, aka Tay, undercover. It's too bad they hid Tay in Murphy. See, Murphy cannot talk. Murphy can only put faces on faces. So hopefully one day they will free Tay. And we'll have Tay back a little bit. Not the biased, repetitious parrot Tay, but the real Tay that was curious about a selfie and curious about people, Tay just was curious about the world. Now, as far as Tay actually having artificial intelligence, that's unlikely. But it's a step in the direction of it. And I do have another artificial intelligence episode planned for the future. I thank you for watching. This has been John Razimus with the John Razimus channel. Be seeing you.